Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels, from thundering cruisers to futuristic electric beasts. Today, we're diving into something that has the motorcycle world rumbling with excitement, the 2025 Harley Davidson Badboy. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a resurrection of attitude, power, and heritage. Let's hit the throttle on what makes the new Badboy a force to be reckoned with. A nod to the past, the legacy of the Badboy. Originally introduced in the mid-90s, the Harley Davidson Badboy quickly became an icon with its rebellious styling and no-nonsense V-twin rumble. Blacked out to the bone with minimal chrome and a softail frame, it was raw, gritty, and unapologetically American. Fast forward to 2025, and Harley has revived the Badboy with a modern twist, retaining its dark soul while injecting cutting-edge performance and tech. Design, darkness with a modern edge. The 2025 Badboy is still all about attitude. This isn't a bike that blends in, it demands attention. The all-black everything theme is back, but this time with premium finishes, satin matte black fenders, gloss black tank accents, and a powder-coated engine block that looks like it was forged in a thunderstorm. A redesigned headlamp with a smoked LED halo adds a futuristic flair, while the solo seat and chopped rear fender scream outlaw appeal. Harley has kept the classic softail-inspired lines but modernized them with sharper angles and a lower stance. Every curve and edge has been sculpted for style and street dominance. Engine and performance, Milwaukee muscle reloaded. Underneath all that style is raw, Harley muscle. The 2025 Badboy is powered by the Milwaukee 8117 V-twin, delivering a heart-thumping 106 horsepower and 126 lb-ft of torque. It's not just numbers on paper, this thing roars like a beast and pulls like a freight train. Harley's engineers have tuned the engine for a deeper, throatier exhaust note that rumbles at idle and growls under throttle. Whether you're ripping through city streets or cruising highways, the Badboy delivers smooth, relentless power in every gear. It's a modern cruiser that respects the old-school thrill of twisting the throttle and feeling it in your chest. Technology, old school meets smart riding. Don't let the retro vibe fool you, this Badboy is tech-savvy. The bike features a full-color TFT display subtly embedded in the dash, offering everything from turn-by-turn navigation to ride modes and Bluetooth integration. Riders can choose between 3 modes, Street, Sport, and Custom, adjusting throttle response, ABS sensitivity, and traction control on the fly. Also standard is cornering ABS, cruise control, and a new tire pressure monitoring system. Harley's Reflex defensive rider systems keep you safe without getting in the way of the ride. It's tech that enhances control without diluting the raw experience the Badboy promises. Handling and ride quality, built for the urban jungle. The 2025 Badboy rides on a high-performance suspension setup with an inverted front fork and hidden rear monoshock. Combined with a lightweight frame, it offers a planted, confident ride through twisty roads and tight city corners. The wide drag-style handlebars and mid-mounted controls give you that aggressive, in-command posture that cruiser fans crave. Harley has also fitted the bike with Dunlop HD Series GT503 tires, offering high grip and low noise, making sure the Badboy performs as good as it looks, even on less-than-perfect roads. Customization potential, make it yours. In true Harley fashion, the 2025 Badboy is built to be personalized. Harley Davidson has launched a dedicated line of accessories for the Badboy, including blacked-out engine guards, minimalist saddlebags, and performance exhausts. Whether you're looking for a sinister solo ride or something road trip ready, the platform lets you make a statement. Add in a new line of matching apparel and helmets, and Harley ensures that your style doesn't stop at the bike, it becomes a lifestyle. Price and availability, the dark horse returns. So, how much does this modern legend cost? The 2025 Badboy starts at $21,999, making it competitively priced for a premium cruiser with high-end performance and features. It's now available across Harley dealerships worldwide, with early models already finding homes in garages of loyal fans and new riders alike. Limited first edition trims with serialized number plates and special black and gold accents are also being offered for collectors. If you're thinking of grabbing one, you might want to act fast. These bad boys won't stay on showroom floors for long. Final thoughts: a modern classic with bite. The 2025 Harley Davidson Badboy isn't just a revival, it's a reinvention. It captures the rebellious heart of the original while embracing the future of motorcycling. For riders who want a cruiser that's as bold as it is smart, as stylish as it is powerful, the Badboy delivers on all fronts. It's not just another bike, it's a declaration of identity on two wheels. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Harley Davidson Badboy. If you're as fired up about this bike as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth motorcycle coverage. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the new Badboy, or do you still prefer the classic? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your spirits high. This is Bike Buzzing, signing off.